You may have heard messages about passing bicyclists at a safe distance, but what is a safe distance and what does that look like? According to the Texas Transportation Code, motorists are required to pass a bicyclist at a safe distance. However, the law does not specify what a safe distance is. In general, 3 feet is the minimum recommended passing distance for motorists driving a passenger vehicle. However, if conditions allow, more space can provide additional safety for the bicyclist. If driving on a road with more than one lane in your direction of travel, you may even consider changing lanes. It is also recommended that larger commercial vehicles leave at least 6 feet of room between their vehicle and a bicyclist. But again, the more space, the better. Be aware of any local ordinances that may apply in your jurisdiction, where the 3 feet and 6 feet recommended distances could be a part of the law. And even if the bicyclist has their own bike lane, giving them extra room if you can increases safety for everyone. But how do you know if you are giving a bicyclist enough room while passing? If you're driving a passenger vehicle and leave 3 feet of room between your vehicle and a bicyclist, this is what that would look like from the driver's seat. From the bicyclist perspective, it looks like this. Passing bicyclists at a safe distance is the law and gives a bicyclist room to feel more comfortable on the road. And if conditions allow, giving a bicyclist more room can provide additional comfort to the bicyclist. Remember to walk, bike, and drive safe to save a life. Join us online or through our social media channels to learn more.